Okay, here we are on the Cotai Strip, and you can see all kinds of cool stuff from here. You can see, yeah, let me know which casinos you're most interested in. I'll try to film them from the inside. There's Londoner, MGM is over there, Parisian's right there, City of Dreams is right there, Venetian is right there, Pseudo City is way down there with the that little Hollywood icon thing, and then over there is Galaxy, and anyways, yeah, let me know which one you're interested in. Let me know if you like this one, because this is a pretty amazing view of the Cotai Strip right there. And let's just kind of look around here. I'll show you what's behind me and all around me, which is equally interesting. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Yeah, there's the marvelous Cotai Strip and all the beauty. Oh, actually that light is a little bit strong right there, isn't it? Try to get out of that light. There we go, perfect. And over here you have, this is Taipa Village over there, and Galaxy Casino right there. Galaxy Casino, that little thing right there is kind of new. I don't remember seeing that in the past. They're building quite a bit around there, so we'll see how that develops. This is a little ecological park, nice area to walk around. We're gonna come back over that area in a minute. I also just want to show you what's around here, including where we're at right now. We're kind of up on this, you can see all the pavilion stuff right here. So we're basically on this giant pavilion, and then there's a giant dragon right there. You just see if you can see it a little bit. And then right here is the Grand Thai. It's like apartments, quite expensive. And yeah, this is kind of cool right here. You got this dragon. You can see the dragon head right there, right? I've also seen this dragon head stuff in other places in Macau, so that's not the only one. And the dragon tail. That's Taipa. Can't see it. The glare of all those lights maybe kind of makes it harder to see. But we're gonna go across and we can look at the airport from over here. So actually this is a pretty spectacular view. It's kind of interesting that it wasn't made into something else. It's a little bit, I didn't know that you could come up here for the longest time. I thought it was just like a private apartment building. It's kind of hard to see the lighting, but let me see if I can get that lighting away. There you go. But there's a nice little park right in there. I guess it's just for residents. I don't know what that is right there. But down there, there's Must University right there. Macau University of Science and Technology. And the airport is directly down that way. There's a mountain right here, and then if you kind of keep going down a little bit, you'll go into the airport. And there's also the ferry terminal down here too. I also want to kind of look at this building right here. This is called the Morpheus. This is actually one of the most unfortunate settings for such a beautiful building. Like this building right here would have been amazing, absolutely incredible if it was like right maybe up here, you know, maybe. I mean, this pavilion is amazing too, so I love the pavilion, of course. But that one, nobody can see it. The way that it's structured, it's kind of blocked by these other casinos, so they can't see it from that side. There isn't a road that leads into it. And then on this side is Macau University, it's called Macau University of Science and Technology. So this campus is kind of cool, but only students are allowed. So the students have that view of the Morpheus. They're the only ones that can see it. If you're walking down that street right there, you can't see the Morpheus building. You can't look up and see it quite in the way that you should be able to see it. Even from here, you can't really see it because in the middle, there's this giant hole in the middle. It's quite amazing. And there's when you're inside too, it's pretty interesting as well. So it's like, it's just so unfortunate. I just wish, I'll try to put at the end, I'll try to put the Morpheus into my into the end of my film, so you can click on the link and look at what it looks like when it's seen properly. It's just so unfortunate that it's like built in such a poor location. Like that would also be, if it was like, if this was like here, like you could see it from here, it'd be amazing. Just, I mean, maybe if they sold the Macau Science, sold that university and put like a street that went right to it, it might be amazing. If it looked like you're going to drive into it or something. Like, oh man, it's just so unfortunate. let me know if you agree with me about the Morpheus, if you think it's also just such an unfortunately poorly located building for how beautiful and well engineered it is. I think about it too often. Every time I see it, I just think, oh, what a tragedy that was to have it built facing that direction and not be seen properly. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down, and you can actually walk into the buildings up there. I have filmed in here before. I think I have walked up into that space, but it's way more interesting on this side, of course. So I think what I'll do is I'll just walk down this little pavilion a little bit, and we'll walk down the hill just a tiny little bit too. That's actually interesting too. So these this apartment building, they have another viewpoint up there where they can look down into both of these. They can look down into us right now and into the street as well. And now we're gonna get another view of the pavilion from this angle. Wow, that looks cool. It's pretty nice too. Like, okay, nice. As glaring as they are, they're actually quite beautiful. Yeah, you can walk all the way down here. You just keep on walking. There's an incline up there on that mountaintop. So yeah, you see stuff like this in Macau, and it's like, yeah, this is a beautiful city. Really like it a lot. I live here, and I've chosen to live here for 8 years, and I want to stay here a lot longer, so obviously I must like it. And there's that beautiful Cotai strip right there. Nice little circular. At first I didn't really understand the circular thing because it seems kind of removed from other places, but now it's coming together in a kind of interesting way. Because I do see tourists walk around it a little bit, and when they're in there, it's interesting because there's not that many tourists, so you kind of feel like you have a lot of space to yourself. It's not crowded, so it's actually kind of interesting. And then you can have good viewpoints from all the way around there. And the other beautiful thing too is like you can exit out towards, you know, Morpheus or down the strip this way right here, and you can also exit that way, but you can also go into this little space, and then you can see those little lights on right there. That's like a little ecological walk. It goes all the way down, all the way into those type of houses over there. So it's actually quite interesting to be walking in a like a wetlands kind of thing, and you can see, like, look at birds and, you know, animals that enjoy that ecological area as well. So it's kind of an added bonus that I didn't really see how it's going to all fit in originally, but now I can see it. Got here a plane. There's an airport that's not too far away, so the planes are going in and out of China. But the rest of the world is closed. I think there's flights Singapore, Taiwan, but all the flights are going in and out of China, and then you can't get anywhere else for a year and a half. So we're still stuck in the COVID era as of this video. It's 2021. Hopefully another time will come, and then we don't have to. People can come and visit, and they can see this for themselves again. That who are not, you know, Chinese people can from mainland China, but the rest of the world cannot come here. So it's unfortunate. Big tourist city like this, they do make most of their money from China already, so I guess they're not that interested right now, and they choose safety. But I wish they chose the vaccination route and try to vaccinate the citizens like Singapore is trying to do right now. But time will tell what happens when all things are said and done. So anyways, nice beautiful scenery, the Cotai Strip. Chiquinha, chiquinha.